International Yoga Day. Time to get fit is all I can say. If you haven't exercised till now, it's time for you to take a bow. Few simple asanas is how you start. Get your mats and put in your heart. Today is International Yoga Day.
Everyone. Bhagavad Gita says yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. With this beautiful quote, I, Kamya Bansal, warm-heartedly welcome you all to this special morning assembly on behalf of the entire grade 7. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join. In practical level, yoga is to integrate body, mind and spirit to unfold our higher potential in life through the practice of pranayama, asana and meditation. Yoga has helped people around the world to live a healthier and energetic life. To create awareness about this great practice of yoga, the United Nations organization has denoted 21st June of every year as International Yoga Day. It is a very auspicious day, a day of great inspiration, a day of taking new resolutions. Yoga is not only about exercises, but also the union of body and soul, a foundation stone, serenity and tranquility of mind, the grammar for purity of speech, medicine for purification of the body, and the power to cure any disease of the universe. Let's understand the importance of yoga in our lives and what are the benefits one will experience by practicing yoga on a daily basis. On this note, let's begin our program.
I am Aksha of grade 7A, wishing you all a cheerful morning. Today, I am going to share the significance of this special day, International Yoga Day. International Day of Yoga was declared by the United Nations General Assembly in its resolution on December 11, 2014, on the strong appeal of the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. Yoga, the holistic approach of living, originated in India. 21st June is celebrated throughout the world annually as International Yoga Day since 2015, with an objective to bring about awareness about the health benefits of yoga and its several practices. The aim of this day is to educate people about the physical, mental and spiritual benefits that can be derived by practicing yoga. The theme of this year's Yoga Day is Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family, which focuses on telling people to stay motivated at home and adopt a healthy lifestyle by doing exercise and yoga. Let's appreciate this theme and practice yoga at home. Yoga transforms and increases values of life. Have a great life with a healthy body and a happy mind.
संग संग चलो बढ़ते रहो, योग सभी करते रहो। संग संग चलो बढ़ते रहो, योग सभी करते रहो। योगा ही जीवन का एक आधार है, योगा ही जीवन का एक आधार है। संग संग चलो बढ़ते रहो, योग सभी करते रहो, संग संग चलो बढ़ते रहो, योग सभी करते रहो, योगा ही जीवन का एक आधार है, योगा ही जीवन का एक आधार है, योगा से जागा सारा संसार है, योगा से जागा सारा संसार है। हो स्वच्छ मन, रहे स्वस्थ मन, हर सांस में हो नई उमंग, ऐसा हो बस जीने का ढंग, छू ले जो हम उड़कर गगन।
It's a wonder how a simple stretch deepens breath and an elegantly held pose grows to touch the whole of me. Like sugar stirred into tea, the potency of yoga spreads from the body into mind and heart, revealing an ocean of energy that heals and opens, holds me close and sets me free, all in the same moment. By Dana Falls.
दूर उस आकाश की गहराइयों में एक नदी से बह रहे हैं आदि योगी, शून्य सन्नाटे टपकते जा रहे हैं, मौन से सब कह रहे हैं आदि योगी, योग के इस स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन, सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम, प्राण गुंजन धनन गणनम, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी, योग धारा चलक छन छन, सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम, प्राण गुंजन धनन गणनम, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी।
A wise man once said, yoga is essentially a practice of a soul working through the medium of a body. Let us all come together and celebrate International Yoga Day by practicing yoga to lead a healthy, happy and a prosperous life. After all, health is wealth. With these inspiring notes, we bring an end to the special morning assembly. Wow! Let us together praise yoga in unison. Let us bring peace, prosperity and unity. Let us make a world a tolerant, peaceful and a beautiful place to live in. Let us prepare for deeper spiritual aspects. Come on, let us all practice yoga and everybody say, long live yoga. Thank you all once again and have a nice day.